What's going on? We are back with another full day eating video where every single day I show you how to eat clean to be a lean machine. So whether you are looking to gain weight via adding lean muscle mass or lose weight via losing fat, it is one and the same. Don't let all of the internet tactics confuse you or distract you. It is simple. You eat clean, you get in the gym, you are physically active, you do the right responsible things consistently, you will get these results. It's impossible to not. Literally, it's just a consequence of the lifestyle. Like, it's not even on purpose. It's literally a consequence of the lifestyle, which is, consequence is typically a bad thing, but we're flipping the script. It's a good thing. When you are being consistent on the good side of things, your consequences become good. So, the first thing I like to do in the morning, typically something easy to open my stomach with. So, I would suggest fruit, things of that nature. I don't have fruit today because I'm out of fruit, but chia seed pudding is how we start our mornings. You can see that good maple syrup sitting at the bottom. I say this every video, but not everybody sees the same videos, so a new person could be watching this video right now. Every ingredient is organic, from the spices, the syrups, everything. Everything's high quality. We don't go the cheap route on anything, so just let that be known. We highly think that you should be investing in your food and yourself. So part of investing in yourself is the diet. A lot of people on Instagram, these influencers, you got to invest in yourself. You got to buy books and you got to do it. They're skipping the main focal point, which is your health. You can't do any of the other things without your health. We believe in that so much. So that's why I started doing these videos. This is chia seed pudding with chia seeds, almond milk, which we did do at home, homemade almond milk. Not a necessary thing. You can get almond milk at the stores. I personally just suggest you stay away from the ones with like 30 ingredients. There's definitely ones out there that we used to purchase that had 3 or 4 ingredients. Really clean, perfect. Rock with that. Maple syrup, which is that high quality maple syrup, as I already had stated, vanilla extract, because this is vanilla chia seed pudding with some frozen fruit on top. Frozen fruit of your choice. Now, I do have a video where I showed how to make my breakfast and the flavors alternate. So it shows you how to make the base and then you can kind of go from there. Since it is the season, we have finally made it to fall. We are doing pumpkin oats. So pumpkin spice oats, all right? And also pumpkin spice lotion, baby. You better lotion your motherfucking feet. Bitches are ashy. Take care of yourself. So this is oats, hemp seeds, chia seeds, peanut butter, because it doesn't matter what the flavor is. We're putting peanut butter in there because it's high calories, and as a high-functioning athlete, I'm looking to get as much calories and protein as possible. So that's just my goal. You don't have to add it if you don't want to gain weight. Just remove the peanut butter. Good fats from the seeds, good fats from the butter. Almond milk as well. There's a few spices in here. I'm sure I could throw a recipe in the description if somebody wants, but I might be forgetting some small. Pumpkin. How can I forget the pumpkin? We're using a pumpkin puree, which is pumpkin blended up and in here. So pretty simple. This is high quality pumpkin oats with maple syrup as the sweetener. We like to have maple syrup as a sweetener. It's a good alternative to straight processed sugar. I'm definitely a believer that sugar is good for you when done correctly. So don't take that out of context. It's just what it is. The other thing is that I do not take bodybuilding supplements. Now, usually in my videos I'm going crazy flexing. I'm just not in that type of mood right now. You see in the thumbnail, you can go click through all my videos or go to my Instagram, which is EWOJZ. You can clearly see I'm a fit athlete. I don't have to go crazy on this every single video. I like to do natural supplements though, so health supplements, not bodybuilding, but health. Irish sea moss, organics nature. It's actually from the sea. It's what they claim it to be. A lot of the sea moss on the market is farmed. It's not what they claim it to be. Sea moss has 90% of the minerals our body requires in it, so it's not a vegan exclusive thing. No, none of this is vegan exclusive. 10 years vegan, blood work done, healthiest man on earth. These things are all facts. So don't get it twisted. Don't think that just because I take an AM multivitamin from Thorne that it's because I'm vegan and it's because I'm nutrient deficient. It's just good practice as a high-functioning athlete or human, and you got to be an athlete for life. So you want to be in tip-top shape regardless. You want to be able to play catch with your kid. You want to be able to, mess with your nephew. You want to be able to go on a jog around the block or ride your bike till you're 80. Like, I'm tired of all this mindset that, oh, I'm 40, it's I used to. No, I'm 30 years old right now. And I could easily be in that same slope. Oh, when I was in my 20s. It's like, no, motherfucker, I'm going harder. I'm 30, now I got to go harder. When I'm 40, I got to go harder. When I'm 50, I got to go harder. And not like harder physically, but harder in the health side of things, because you need to take care of yourself. I just showed the lotion. We do all natural products, from the shampoos to the deodorants to the body lotions, everything like that. It's all natural. That's the way we see it. The only thing I don't do that's natural, and this is not healthy, but I will show it because this is kind of like dubbing up as general health channel, fitness channel, men's kind of channel, as we get deeper into these talks. I do like to wear fragrance. This is a Bond number 9 New Harlem. It is fall. I have the pumpkin spice lotion on. It's going to blend so well. It's a coffee, syrupy, maple syrupy type scent. Yeah. So you kind of see what's happening here. I'm smelling like sexy pancakes right now. Let's go ahead and put this shit on. Oh, but the parabens in there are... You got to worry about all the main shit first. This is an add-on right here. Boom. Highly suggest you got to treat yourself. You got to treat yourself like you matter. Nobody else is going to. You don't deserve respect. You don't deserve love. You don't deserve any of the things you think you deserve. All of those things must be earned via your efforts. You're not just going to be sitting there and one day, I've been sitting here for 480 days and I finally earned my... No, you got to get the fuck after it. All right, I'm not going to go too crazy in this video because we have plenty of videos left. So I'm going to stop it here. I got to get to work myself. We will see you momentarily for meal number 2, which is my dinner. All right, post-gym, dinner time. Woo! I didn't flex on you earlier, but I had to hit a flex on them. Maple Bourbon Chilli. You will see an overshot view right now. One of our favorites, absolutely delicious. It's an Instant Pot recipe, which means it's so easy for you to replicate this recipe. All you have to have is an Instant Pot. I will link Instant Pot in the description. We are not sponsored by them, but we use them 3 to 4 times a week because it makes our life that much easier. It's not easy, okay? Because you can't just pull into a fast food drive-thru, but it is easier when you're cooking at home. This has... What's in here? The black beans, kidney beans, sweet potatoes, tomatoes,
bourbon, maple syrup, veggie broth.
Bourbon, maple syrup, veggie broth. And it is topped with some tortilla flakes and avocado. Balanced, high protein, good fat. The fat you eat is the fat you wear, brother. So you got to eat that good fat because you want that good fat on you, boy. You don't want that bad fat. You want that good shit. We will see you tomorrow. This was a quick little video here. This is getting me back into the video game. Kind of like backlogged on a few, but now we are back. We are diving full-fledged. Had a slump buster of a week, but we are back. So we'll see you tomorrow.